I don't know how long my hair is.
Hey YouTube, it's on the Loc journey. I'm interested to see how long my hair has gotten. Don't forget to subscribe. I've been growing my hair for 9 years now, but I've never actually taken the time to measure my locks.
So I'm gonna measure the whole thing, and I'm gonna measure the longest one and then the shortest one. Alright, Jalil says 15 inches. We'll see. Woo! I think you were short, babe, by like 10 inches. Alright, so I got to 24 inches. Find the longest one. This is the longest one that I could find. It's like 23. Yeah, even the ones in the front come out to about 24 inches. Twenty-three and a half. This one. 24 and a half. That one that was 26. I don't know why this is so fascinating. It's fun. My longest locks are around 2 feet long. My shortest locks are at the front. And I started them after all the other locks. They're also smaller than all the other locks. My shortest locks are about 15 inches. That's 38 centimeters for y'all Brits. Yeah, the shortest ones are like 1.5 feet. Most of them are around 2 feet. Plus or minus an inch or two. Random facts. They were longer than this before. Alright, so that's it. I've measured my hair for the first time. And as of April 2019, after trimming significantly, a majority of my locks are around 2 feet long.
Thanks for stopping by and chilling with me while I measured my locks. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and if you liked the video, then like the video.